Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you the health education topic. So first of all, let's see the definition of health education. Health education is the process of providing information, motivating and help to maintain and adopt the healthy habits and lifestyle. It also expresses the necessary environment changes to achieve the objective and conducts professionals. Next we will see the aims and objectives. The first aim and objective is to ensure the belief that health is wealth. Now the next aims and objective to encourage the development of health services and their proper use, to motivate people and to solve their health problems at their level. Next we will see the planning and execution of health education. The first planning is fixing the target. The target of the health education should be cleared. Health problems should be identified. While the setting the target, it is necessary to have a clear prescription of the special institution going to the community, removal of the myths and development of the attitude. Next planning is to know about the problems. Planning is essential to know about the problems for collecting the information about the different aspects of the process. Next we will see the third planning, to know about the community. This includes social and administrative shelter, structure of the community and knowledge of persons about the problem, myths, local tradition, beliefs, superstitions and media of communication, other conduct program and the reaction of the community towards the team, and finding about the personal and financial resources. So in this planning we had seen to know about the community. This includes the social and administrative structure of the community and the knowledge of process about the problems, myths, local tradition, beliefs, superstitions, media of communication, other conduct programs are the reaction of the community towards them, and to finding about the problems or personal problems and financial resources. Next planning is to develop, I hope it is visible, to develop and implement the plan. This includes target community knowledge to be imported, methods, employees, availability of transport, getting cooperation of government and voluntary agencies. Our fifth planning is education. Continuing education of health education program for beginning to the end is very important for finding out the success and failure of the programs. The next heading is principle of health education. The first principle is motivation. People are motivated to accept new thoughts, habits and activities. Second one is interest. The topic of health education should be interesting according to the needs. For example, polio vaccine for children, family planning for couple, prevention for AIDS, youth, etc. Next one is participation. This is the psychological belief that when a person participated in the accepts it, recognizes. The fourth principle is learning by doing. A person can learn by doing this. In case of hearing and seeing, hence it is necessary to pay more Fifth principle is repetition. The most people do not accept new facts and ideas in one attempt. Hence, repetition is necessary for effective health education. The sixth principle is communication. It is two-way process. Hence, the language should be simple. The language of the health educator should be simple, and the communication should be effective, and feedback of the community people is also essential. The fourth principle is good human relation. It is very necessary to have friendly and kind relationship with teacher, student, and the personnel accepting the health education. Now the last heading, the nurse's responsibility of health education. The nurses should consider the following points in health education. They are: the first point is to give confidence of people. The second one is to arouse interest of people about the good health, to motivate team to bring about changes in the habits for health life, to prepare them for utilize the health services, to develop a sense of responsibility among the people, good health towards the community. And the last heading is the opportunity for health education should be widely used. The first point is it is necessary to use appropriate aviates to enhance the effect of health education. It is very important to use effective aviates to enhance the health education. The sufficient participation of the operation and voluntary agencies, local teachers, health workers is essential in the health education. And the third point is effective communication is very essential in the health education. To provide a good health education, it is very necessary to have effective communication skill among the health educators to make bond with the community people. And the second one is we should be planned and continuous process. The health education process should be planned and continuous process to interact community people regularly. So this is the health education. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do subscribe and share with your friends to motivate my work and to motivate also my channel. Thanks for watching my video.